Yes.
Tell us about yourself.
Sir, I come from Cuttack district. I have completed my schooling and intermediate both from Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Konark, Puri. I have completed my BTech and MTech from NIT Rourkela. I am Tech graduate in Water Resource Engineering and currently I am working as Assistant Section Officer in Housing and Urban Development Department.
So, what are your hobbies?
Sir, my hobby is teaching.
Teaching.
Yes.
What subject do you teach?
Sir, I like to teach general studies subject, even science, physics subjects to friends and juniors.
How do you teach physics? Because you are an engineer, how do you teach physics?
Sir, even sir, in civil engineering, physics is closely integrated. In our solid mechanics, structure, we only study the applied part of physics.
So, your inspired personality is MS Dhoni.
Yes.
What inspire? What
Sir,
he inspire you?
the first thing I like about MS Dhoni is his leadership qualities.
Okay.
The second thing I like is his dedication towards his cause. And the third one I like is his ability to stay calm and composed in all situations.
So, how it will help you in your Panchayat Raj?
So as an AWE, I think leadership qualities is most important. Where we lead a group of colleagues and workers to do any project. And second thing, I think while working in field level, we will have to deal with unexpected situations. So to stay calm and composed in different difficult situations is definitely going to help for the cause.
So, you have done your MTech.
Yes,
And you are from Cuttack district.
yes.
And you have been staying in Puri school, Namapada.
Yes, sir.
Why?
Sir, actually my hometown is there.
But your permanent address of living as Cuttack.
Yes, sir, my permanent home is there, but my parents used to stay in Nimapada. That's why I stay there usually.
It is the housing projects, schemes being run through the Panchayat Raj department where construction supervision work will be your responsibility.
Sir, I think Panchayat Raj department runs a number of housing projects. The first one I would like to mention Indira Awas Yojana.
It is no more there.
The second one I would like to mention Biju Pakka Ghar Yojana.
Okay.
And the third one I would like to mention Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Gramin.
Okay. What is the amount sanctioned in that scheme?
Sir, I can't exactly remember the amount, but
Is it above 1 lakh or less than 1 lakh?
sir, I can tell you about the urban department, PMI urban component. They are central government sanctions 1,50,000 rupees and state government sanction 50,000 rupees under beneficiary led construction. But sir, I am not very sure.
Is it
about
just a dwelling unit or something else is being added right now?
It is dwelling unit along with the electric.
And means most popular rural connectivity program which is being undertaken by the Panchayat department, supervised by it.
Sir, I think it is the Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana.
No, Panchayat Raj department is not taking Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana. It is RT department who is taking.
Sorry sir, I can need to learn more about this.
Yeah, the RT department, not Panchayat department. Okay. And have you read the newspaper today?
Yes sir.
Have you read in the front page?
Sir, in the front page was a disturbing news about the Shally demise of our General Bipin Rawat, was also the Chief of Defence Staff,
CDS.
CDS.
Okay.
And the second thing I remember.
That CDS means he is the head of the Indian Army.
No sir, he is the collective head of Indian Defence Force, that is collective
Tri
Indian
Service
Army.
Chief.
Sir?
Tri Service Chief.
Yes sir.
Okay. Then
And second thing I remember is that the farmers' protest that was being continued for year or so has been called up by the farmer leaders.
Why they are protesting?
Sir, basically they were protesting for repealing of the farmers' laws, which has been repealed recently by the parliament.
How many laws?
So there are 3 laws under the farm laws.
Passed by the parliament.
Yes, sir. But currently these are repealed.
Okay. And the irrigation, major source of irrigation in Puri district.
Sir, I think it is the groundwater is the main source. Major
No.
source.
You have a canal system in Puri district.
Sir, I need to learn more about this.
Puri district, I think, sir, is canal system, na? Canal is the main source of irrigation in Puri district. Puri main canal. It's a major irrigation source. Puri district is by canal irrigation. Other facilities are there, but major part is by the canal irrigation system. And source in Cuttack also. What are the other irrigation facility? You know, in Odisha there is a participatory irrigation management system in operation. You know the name of that popularly known as?
Yes, sir. It is called Pani Panchayat system, in which people participate in deciding whatever amount of water will be allocated to among the farmers.
Can I ask something from the GK?
Sure, sir.
Vocal for local. What do you know about that?
So I think it is a scheme launched by central government in which we promote the local handicrafts or local industry.
So what you will promote staying in Nimapada?
So in Nimapada, I think Chennadil is very famous. And apart from that, applicative work is also being done near to
You
Nimapada.
promote Senajili through local purpose. Has it got the GI tag?
No, sir, not yet.
So which item that sweet get GI tag?
Sir, I think it is Odisha Rasgulla.
So what is the advantage of getting a GI tag?
Sir, having GI tag, it got a promotion in national level, so its marketing gets improved.
What is the full form of GI tag?
The geographic indication.
ମୁଁ ପଚାରିନି what is you have done MTech in water resource engineering na
Yes, sir.
what is the duty of water
Sir, the duty of the water can be explained as the amount of water in the depth of water in meter, which is required by a crop for its complete growth.
your answer is not correct okay you check it your answer is not correct huh?
Sorry, sir, I wrongly tell about delta.
Duty is defined as the area
Yes, sir, I got it.
irrigated by a unit discharge of water flowing continuously for the duration of the base period of a crop.
Yes.
Okay.
Sir,
Can you tell the unit of for duty?
sir, it's each unit.
What is the unit of duty?
Sir, hectare per cubic.
Hectare per?
Cubic.
Cubic meter.
Cubic. Meter cube per second.
What is the crop period?
Sir, crop period is defined as the period between the sowing of crop and its harvesting.
Instant of its harvesting. Instant of its harvesting.
Yes.
What is canal duty?
The duty at the head of canal is canal duty.
Hmm?
I am not very sure, but
It is the number of hectares of land irrigated for full growth of a given crop by a supply of 1 cubic water continuously during the entire base period of that crop. You have to define it very clearly because you have done MTech in water resources means these are the very fundamental of water resources engineering.
What is the quantity of water required for paddy cultivation?
the total amount of water.
For suppose for growing 1 quintal of paddy, what is the amount of water required?
Sir, I need to learn more about this, but what I remember that generally paddy is cultivated in heavier area, in heavier rainfall, particularly which has rainfall more than 100 centimeter.
That means paddy is a more
Water
water
intensive crops.
intensive crop.
So you have done your MTech from NIT Rourkela
Yes.
under whom?
Sir, my MTech project was under Professor K.K. Katwa.
Khatwa sir.
Yes, sir.
So Khatwa sir is very famous for doing project work in channels,
Open channel.
open channels, right? So what do you mean by open channel?
Sir, open channel is the channel under which flow takes place on the open surface where where atmospheric pressure exists, and mainly the flow takes place in open channel under gravity.
बाथरूम की जीरो पड़ेगा
चलो
Okay. Define meandering of channel.
So when a river bends, it bends continuously in opposite direction, and it forms a S-like curve. So this S-like form is called meandering river.
Okay. What you are saying that while a river scours the channel, then the S curve is formed,
Yes.
or meandering is curve. What we do to prevent that scouring?
So generally we do river training.
Okay. What are the different river trainings are there?
So the river training, different river trainings I can remember. First is stone pitching.
Stone pitching.
And sir, again installing some groins.
Okay.
The second thing is constructing margin bonds. Third is construction guide bonds, etc.
Okay. So tell me, define water conveyance efficiency.
Sir, when water gets transported from canal to the field, certain amount of water lost. It is expressed as water conveyance efficiency, which mathematically can be given as water delivered to the field divided by water carried to the field from the main canal.
And you have done your BTech also from NIT Rourkela.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So apart from water resource, what other subject you like?
The complete technology.
Concrete technology. So what is the concrete grade of concrete we use for constructing concrete road?
I'm not very sure, sir. I need to learn right now this.
Okay. And for constructing any building, what is the grade of the concrete?
Sir, for RCC we use minimum M20.
Minimum M20.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And any other? For bridge construction?
Sorry, sir. I need to learn more.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Thanks.
You can go.